The 2026 Bugatti Royale Coupe is more than just a car, it's a statement of ultimate luxury, engineering brilliance, and exclusivity. With a staggering $50 million price tag, this masterpiece has redefined the boundaries of automotive excellence, making it the most expensive car ever produced. Bugatti has a history of crafting some of the most iconic and luxurious cars in the world, but the Royale Coupe is in a league of its own. Designed for royalty, billionaires, and collectors who demand nothing but the best, this car brings back the grandeur of the original 1927 Bugatti Type 41 Royale, but with a modern twist. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Royale Coupe, it's clear that this is no ordinary hypercar. The exterior is a perfect fusion of classic elegance and cutting-edge design. Bugatti's designers have carefully sculpted the body to exude sophistication while incorporating the latest aerodynamic advancements. The massive front grille, reminiscent of the original Royale, dominates the front end, while sleek LED lighting elements add a futuristic touch. The handcrafted bodywork, finished in bespoke materials, ensures that no two Royale Coupes are exactly alike. Buyers can customize every detail, from the paint scheme to the intricate patterns etched into the carbon fiber panels. Under the hood lies an engineering marvel that justifies its astronomical price. The Royale Coupe is powered by a groundbreaking hybrid powertrain, featuring a monstrous 16-cylinder engine paired with advanced electric motors. This setup produces an earth-shattering 2,000 horsepower, allowing the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2.5 seconds. While performance is a key aspect, Bugatti has focused on ensuring that the Royale Coupe delivers an unparalleled driving experience. The adaptive suspension system and cutting-edge aerodynamics make it glide effortlessly on the road, providing both comfort and blistering speed. Unlike traditional hypercars that prioritize track performance, the Royale Coupe is designed to offer a smooth and refined ride, befitting its royal heritage. The interior of the 2026 Bugatti Royale Coupe is where true opulence is revealed. Step inside, and you are greeted by an environment that feels more like a high-end private jet than a car. Every surface is adorned with the finest materials money can buy: hand-stitched leather, real gold accents, and custom wood veneers sourced from the rarest trees on the planet. Bugatti has collaborated with renowned artisans to create an interior that is not only visually stunning but also a testament to traditional craftsmanship. The seats are designed to provide maximum comfort, with heating, cooling, and massage functions built into the plush upholstery. A panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space and grandeur. Technology seamlessly integrates with luxury in the Royale Coupe. A fully digital dashboard displays vital information in a way that is both stylish and functional. The infotainment system is unlike anything seen in a car before, offering AI-powered assistance, holographic navigation, and a surround sound system that rivals the acoustics of a concert hall. Every control is crafted with precision, from the diamond-encrusted rotary dials to the touchscreen interfaces embedded into the armrests. The car even comes with a bespoke watch that syncs with the vehicle, allowing owners to unlock and start it with a simple gesture. Exclusivity is a major part of what makes the Royale Coupe so desirable. Bugatti is only producing a handful of these vehicles, ensuring that ownership remains reserved for the ultra-elite. The selection process itself is rigorous, with potential buyers undergoing a private consultation to personalize their car down to the finest detail. Each Royale Coupe is delivered with a dedicated concierge service, ensuring that every aspect of ownership is as seamless and luxurious as the car itself. For collectors and enthusiasts, the 2026 Bugatti Royale Coupe is not just a vehicle, it's an investment. With its breathtaking design, groundbreaking performance, and extreme rarity, its value is expected to appreciate over time. Unlike other hypercars that may lose their appeal as new models emerge, the Royale Coupe is a timeless masterpiece that will remain a symbol of prestige and wealth for generations. Bugatti has once again proven why it stands at the pinnacle of automotive craftsmanship. The Royale Coupe is more than just a car, it's a work of art, a technological marvel, and a piece of history reborn. With its $50 million price tag, it is undeniably a car fit for kings, setting a new benchmark for luxury and exclusivity in the automotive world.